And in columns G and H, you'll see a few of these. If you check out the Excel help system, you'll see quite a few others as well. The categories I've shown here, temperature, liquid measure, etc., are more commonly used, but you'll also see a set of conversion issues related to power and pressure, force, energy, and magnetism. But let's just give you a couple of examples of how this might work. You want to convert kilometers to miles, so on cell B2, we'd use the convert function. Many times when you make a mistake with the issues here, it has to do with upper and lower case. So the titles as you see them here, and I wouldn't normally set up titles this way, but I am in this case to accentuate this idea. Here's a value of 180, it refers to kilometers, comma, we're converting from what? Double quote, km, double quote, comma, and we're trying to convert to miles, double quote, mi, double quote. So 180 kilometers is 111.8 miles. And certainly from time to time, you'd want to go the opposite. So in the case here, a convert from these miles into how many kilometers, same general idea. And here too, having seen the first example, you'd know what to do. That's the unit of measure, comma, and it's in miles, double quote, mi, double quote, comma, we want to convert it to kilometers, double quote, km, double quote, we're all set. There we go, 143.2 kilometers is the equivalent of 89 miles. And then Celsius and Fahrenheit, and here I've capitalized the two words to accentuate the idea that we'll be using the letters uppercase C and uppercase F. Same general idea here as we convert. In this case, this is the temperature, comma, double quote, capital C, double quote, comma, double quote, capital F, double quote. 98.6 is the Fahrenheit equivalent of 37 degrees Celsius. And looking the reverse way, here's a Fahrenheit of 90. What is that in Celsius? Same general idea, equal convert. The value in question here is 90, so equal convert. This time, I could put in the cell. You can, of course, do this with real values as well. And this time I'll be typing it since you can't click on it. E3, comma, moving from Fahrenheit in this case to Celsius. And one more of these, same general idea. And here too, I've not used capitalization to accentuate the idea. 100 meters, how many feet is that? We're converting from meters, double quote, m, double quote, comma, into feet, double quote, and this time ft, ft. How many feet is that? There we go, 328 feet. And of course, this is a mile as we know it. 5280, how many meters in a mile, or how many meters in this many feet? And that's in cell E8. And we're moving in this case, double quote ft, double quote comma, double quote m, double quote. So 1609.3 feet in a meter. Do you get the general idea? It works smoothly. There are tons of options. The ones being displayed over in columns G and H are perhaps a third to less than a half of the possibilities, and you want to explore that a bit more. It also allows for various prefixes. And we actually use them here. For example, the K in front of M was kilometers and so on. There's a complete list of prefixes you can use as well. So anytime you've got data that's in varying measurement indices, you might want to, if necessary, convert them into another measure by using some of the techniques and options available with the convert function.